if you have pity in your heart too. So you donate only 1 rupee for corona patient. You pay 1 rupee on the number given below. Your donation can save someone's life. Be kind. What do you need to know tomorrow? With this YouTube channel, you support us in this campaign to help corona patient.
Today we will make aeroplane with paper very easily. It can be made at home. And it is very easy. Make paper aeroplane and have fun. Blow it in your garden. Call your friends also to play with paper aeroplane. If you want to see more ideas of making paper aeroplane, so subscribe to our channel and press bell and send notifications all.